Hey everybody, welcome to Real Milk Paint Co. Let me give you a behind the scenes tour about how we make milk paint. Come on. All right, so this is where we make milk paint. Let me walk you through the process about how this all works. So we start with a base of milk paint, and that is with lime, casing, and a filler. The pigments are added, and then they're combined. So the first thing that happens is the base, and I'll walk you through here to show you how that base is made. All right, it's a little loud, so we'll see how this comes out, but these are the sifters. So once those three ingredients are combined, the sifters break out any particles and large, spots to help give us a nice fine base mix. After the base is mixed, they'll add the pigments, so you make the correct milk paint color, and then that goes into these blenders here. These are the blenders that combine the milk paint. So they rotate, and as they rotate, the base and the pigments get mixed together, and then that's essentially how milk paint is made. Now this is our current setup. Let me give you a preview of what we're going to be heading into here shortly. So this is going to be our new and improved milk paint room. And as you can see, it's a lot bigger space. And let me focus your attention on some things. If you remember those mixing or the sifters that were shaking and vibrating out the base, this is the new sifter. And so we've got a new process where the base ingredients are going to go into here. They'll get blended together. They drop down in here, and this is an auger that brings it up, and then it goes into the sifter. And this is where the base is made. So after the base is made, the pigments will get added, and then they'll get moved over into a bigger one. They'll have this one that will focus on large batches of different colors, and then we'll also be bringing in those two smaller ones you saw in the other room to these areas here. This has a better air filtration system. It's heated and cooled, and so I'm really excited about where milk paint is headed, and I hope you're excited too. So thanks for coming on the tour, and we'll see you next time.